Hello Xelluxers, let us learn a powerful function that has a huge search on Google, Instagram, Facebook, and search popularity of over 500,000 on TikTok. Do you know the function? VLOOKUP. Let's dive in. Download this data set we are using for this particular video in our description below if you are watching from YouTube. If you are not watching from YouTube, then go to our YouTube page to actually download this data set. No email necessary. Just click, automatically it downloads in your system. So that is it. It's automatically download. That's Xellux technology for you. So let's learn this function. Let's start. This is our animal here. This is speed. We want to extract this our table here, rank animal speed. So let's pick the animal. So which animal should I pick here? Okay, I'll pick our deer sloth. Yeah, they say you're very slow, but I love you that way. No problem. So just type your equals to here and click on the slots and press enter to bring our animal on that animal. Okay, let's actually extract the speed of sloth. What should we do? Equals to VLOOKUP, press tab key, then look up value. What are we looking for? The animal. What's the animal? It's sloth. Then let's go back to our table. Where is the animal located? It is here. That is E12. That's where it's located. That's it. Comma. Table array. What's the table? All this table. Rank, animal, and speed. Okay. Column D to E. I'll drag it down like this. So I'll press comma here. Then what's the column index? When you calculate from rank, animal, and speed, you know that column F is number 3 column. So I will use number 3 column and I'll press comma key there. Then what do we need? We don't have approximate math, we need exact math. That's what we are using force. Okay, you can type force manually or you just shift down and click on it or press tab key, then shift and close your bracket. Not actually necessary. If you want to do that, press enter. Okay. Oh my god. So there is an arrow here which is below here. You can see in 14 here, D. So we have NA and no value is available here. So I will be able to fix it, which means there's no data. Okay, what I will do is to bring down this slot again here. Slot, I want to come down here. Okay, it's saying 0. So you don't want to do that. Okay, let me bring you here again. So I'll click on slot again and press enter. Our beautiful slot is there. So I'll come here. Now I will start all over again. Equals to VLOOKUP and press enter. Our value, lookup value now is slot. I'll click on it. I'll press comma there. Our table. Instead of starting from column D, I'll start from column E as our table array because that is the animal and that is the speed. So that's why I'm doing this. Okay, let's go through this. Comma here. So what I'll do, a column index. The column index from this particular column E to F is 2. Column E 1, column F is 2. That's what I'm typing to there. Yes, that's it. Comma. Then we'll choose our force. Press your tab key. And then to close it, I will just press enter to you. It works. Let's see. Yagz. So you can see that it's actually working. So that's our NA there. But if you want to fix this end of the thing, we can actually fix it. Shall we? So let me click on this NA right now. Then I'll go to the formula bar in case you want to fix it. You can see that we select audio table. So what I want to do now is to actually adjust this table. When it turns to black there, just drag it here, up here. So you can see that we only cover the table now, column E and F. Then come up here, we use 3 before as our column index. Then delete it, change to 2, and that's all. Press enter. Yagz, we have that. So that's actually, you do that. We actually have our slot. Let's go quickly have our fastest animal there, which is cheetah. Let's quickly go to it together. What should we do? We type it equals to, and we click on our cheetah. I will place enter. That's our cheetah animal there. Then we want to extract the speed of cheetah. So we have equal to. We type our VLOOKUP. You press your tab key. Amazing. Really amazing. Look up value. Yeah. Go back to the table. Go back to the table and select your cheetah. Right? That's the lookup value. Press comma table array. Just select from this cheetah there. Click on it again on the cheetah and drag it down. That's a table array. Omit that column D. Don't make that mistake. column. So we have a comma now. Column index calculates from column E to F is 2. So type your 2 and comma. Then first, let's go down, press tab key. Let me close it this time, shift 0 and press enter. Yaxi. We have our cheater now. We actually spent 5 minutes here. So let's go to other sheet here. So let's go to data 2. So what I want to do is just to have it vertically like this or horizontally. I need to want to say that. So just do it. So equals to. Let's go to the animal. Which animals? I like Topsy Gazelle. Baby, come here. Topsy Gazelle is there. Then press enter. Oh, it's kind of long actually. So let me adjust this. So let's come here now. Let me adjust this a little bit. So I'll come here. So VLOOKUP, the speed of Topsy Gazelle. So Topsy, let's extract your speed. So I'll say VLOOKUP, press your tab key. What's the lookup value? Click on Topsy and click on comma. What is the table array? Click on your cheater there and highlight it everything here. So you press your comma, then what's the column index? Column index 2, which is F. Counting from the animal. So column index is 2. Then you choose exact match, tab key, then press enter. Yaxi. So that's about that. So in case you want to have it like this instead of vertical, do it kind of horizontal way. That's why I'm doing this. Let's go to data 3. So what I want to do now is actually amazing. What I want to do is only focusing on rank. I want to touch on the rest and you see what I want to say. Do you want to see it? I will not use any other color except rank. Do you want to see it? It's amazing. Let's go. So equals to, I start with VLOOKUP, press your tab key, and lookup value is this rank here, comma, table array, start from the rank, highlight everything down here. Then press your comma. What is the column index? Remember, I'm only focusing on column D, right? Rank. So I'll say 1 because start from there 1. So comma. So what I will do now is exact match. I'll press my tab key. Let me go back this time around. It's actually beautiful. Enter. Okay, let's see whether this will work. If I'm not work, sorry about that. That was it. So what I will do here is to drag it there. Oh, beautiful. Animal cheater speed 70. Can I do for all? So overall on this fill under here and drag down. Yaxi, you have everything there. So you can see we have our rank, we have our animal, we have our speed. Only focusing on that rank. So it depends on what you're actually doing. So you can use VLOOKUP to do amazing things. Because the formula is there, they automatically populate the rest. So let's go to the last sheet for today. So what I want to do now is to move from animal and come to business. Let's do some business here. You can see the formula on the screen there. So yeah, I want to extract the options here. So which option I want to extract? So let me quickly go to equals to, and I will go to Deluxe because premium is too popular. I'm using Deluxe, not Xellux. I'm using Deluxe. Okay, I will have my Deluxe there. Then I'll come to cast. So what is the cost of it? I'll use VLOOKUP, the most popular right now on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Google search. Yes, VLOOKUP. We eye on you today. It's amazing. Okay, VLOOKUP. Press your tab key, lookup value. What am I looking for? Deluxe. I'll click on Deluxe here, comma, then table array. Where does it belongs to? I'm not choosing description. Sorry, I'm not choosing you. So I'm choosing this here. So I'll say comma there. Column index is just 2, counting from C and D. Option is 1, cost is 2. So I'll choose 2. I'll press on my comma and choose your first exact match. I'll press tab key and close it if you don't want to, no problem. Yaxi. So that's all about. Thanks for watching. Like, share, light out.